We can create images by giving AI the instruction. Create an image of a simple rectangle. The more specific you are in the instruction, the better the image will become. Try to be as specific as you can in the instruction. Create the image of a big river during sunrise. We can also make changes to specific images. Now use the same image but show the river during the night instead of day. We can also add specific elements to images. Using that same image, add the text. AI image tutorial in a way that clearly displays the text. In many AI models, you can click the image to download a higher resolution, and also you can change the style of the picture. You will often be able to find preset styles, and you can also write your own style. Remake the image in a Renaissance picture style. This is how we create and edit images using AI. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.